Good morning. I have done many weather lives, a stunning view, and actually the weather will bring little change through much of this morning, particularly through eastern areas with some sunshine. But from the west, we will see a change through the day, bringing rain, and through the next few days, bringing warmer weather. Temperatures set to climb, but it doesn't last long. A big change that turns much colder by the end of by the end of the week. But today's weather dominated by sunshine. Then here comes the rain. That brings a mild weather, but then a big change on Thursday. That is when it turns colder. This is what greets us this morning. A good-looking start. Some patchy rain through northern England, western areas of Scotland, a little damp and drizzly, but some decent sunshine for eastern and central areas of the UK. From the west, though, cloud thickens through this morning, through Northern Ireland, then through western areas of Scotland, Wales and the southwest of England this afternoon. This then brings with it strengthening winds, rain that will turn heavy, particularly for the northwest of Scotland, because once it sets in, it'll be there all day long today, tomorrow and into Wednesday. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather this week will be dominated by a mild start, but then a much colder end. Here comes the warm weather moving up from the southwest. It's called a warm conveyor. It brings this conveyor belt of warmth for just 2 days only, because Thursday it turns much colder for all of us, but at least we see the return of some sunshine. So yes, through the week we literally have every type of weather being thrown at us. But let's start with some sunshine. A lot of it around first thing this morning, particularly for central and eastern areas of the UK, clouding over in the west, and this is a precursor of what is set to be a wet and windy night. But actually a decent looking day. Welcome news after what for many of us was a miserable wet and windy weekend. Central and eastern areas stay fine, dry, a little cooler than yesterday, but turning wet and windy from the west. So through the afternoon, we see the heavy rain in western areas of England, Wales and Scotland, and it moves its way right across the country overnight tonight. Once it comes in across the northwest of Scotland, it'll be here through Tuesday and Wednesday. We could see 150 millimetres of rain with the risk of some flooding. A mild start tomorrow.